How to remove a paving stone to repair a patio. The key is not to damage the surface by chipping or breaking any pieces. Scrape the material from the joints as much as possible. Instead of using a screwdriver, use a wider scraping tool, like a glazer bar or a small pry bar. Ideally 2 of them to pry from multiple sides. You want to break the tension that is holding the pavement in place, then slide the piece slowly and gently up and out. Tapping adjacent pieces with a mallet helps loosen the friction and free up the intended piece. Patience is key, as once the material is worked free of the joint, the piece should be able to be wiggled up and out, and the hardest part is over. Now, you can get a larger pry bar underneath the next pieces, and you'll start to feel why paving stone systems work the way that they do. The sand that is swept between the joints and the compaction that we do on the surface of the pavers when we finish them adds tension and drives force into the pavement that is spread across all of the individual pieces to create one surface that works together to add strength. Once you've pulled up all the pavers that you need, whether it's a repair or you're going to add a footing or something else to this patio area, you're ready to move on to the next step. Talk to you soon.